Check out this dude. He's just kicking out of the bird feeder wherever he don't like, looking for other stuff. And I believe this is not an evening grosbeak, although it looks like it. Yes, it is. It's a grosbeak. But he's definitely having a hell of a time. He's kicking all the other seeds out so that he can find the ones he wants. That's cool. These are pretty birds. Like I said, he's a busy picking. I think he'd eat them all, but he'd sure like shoveling the ones he don't like out of the way. Good thing he got that big beak. Go. That's the evening grosbeak. Once again, from the White Mountains of New Hampshire. This is Tweety saying, hope to God he finds the seeds he's looking for, because he sure is wasting a lot of them. So, go beans. See y'all later. Bye-bye. Bye, Mr. Grosbeak. Can I get you a shovel? Guess not.